Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install HxD Hex editor in your computer in a very simple way. What it does, it views and edits any binary file in raw hexadecimal format. It's a very useful app. What you have to do first, you have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for HxD space HEX. Click on editor download, and then you have to come over this free download option. Click on free download, close it, click on start download, and over here you're going to get the zip. Click on the download option and it's completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, here is the zip folder. So now if you extract all, and if you can click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission. And now if you just simply minimize all of your background tab, click OK, click next, check I accept the agreement, next, and check create a desktop shortcut, next, and install. After that, if you click on finish, it will going to open over here. Here it is, a HxD. So if you want to know how you can simply use it, then you have to comment below. I'm going to create another video to show you how you can simply use it. For that, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.